We're here at the SEMA show, and Classic Industries just unveiled this Sebring Orange Yenko Corvette. Tell us a little bit about it, Dave.
Well, this is a 2019 Stage 2 1,000 horsepower Corvette with an automatic transmission.
So you got Stage 1, which is how many horsepower?
835 horsepower, and only 25 units of those will be built as well.
Okay, so 25 of the Stage 1 is 25 of the Stage 2.
Yes.
What kind of engine modifications have been done to this? It's a regular production Corvette, correct?
Well, we're taking the regular production Corvette, the Grand Sport Corvette, available in coupe or convertible. We're taking the 6.2-liter engine out, and we're taking that to 416 cubic inches, and we're adding a 3,000cc blower to it.
What kind of blower?
It's one of our blowers that we manufacture in-house. It's a hamburger blower. And we're running about 12 pounds of boost, and the cars are putting out 1,000 horsepower and 875 pound-feet of torque.
That's amazing. If I've got a big checkbook and I got money to burn, how do I pick up one of these beasts?
The only way to get one of these cars is to go to your Chevrolet dealership and order it. Once you order the vehicle, GM will drop ship the vehicle to me, I'll build it, and then the vehicle goes back to the dealer for final distribution.
And you told me a little bit earlier that this comes with a warranty as well, doesn't it?
Comes with a full 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty.
And what have there been any modifications to the transmission?
Yes, this is a heavy-duty transmission in this car. It's an option for the Corvette only, not the Camaro, but the Corvette, and it happens to be in this vehicle as well.
8-speed automatic or the 7-speed manual?
This is a 10-speed automatic.
The 10-speed automatic for 2019. Very nice. So what had to be done to the transmission to keep up with 1,000 horsepower?
Everything had to be hardened, stiffened in the transmission. We really went through the entire transmission and the TCM as well, which is the transmission control module.
Very cool. So this isn't just an appearance package. This is a full-on a real Yenko car. He'd be proud of it.
This is a fully engineered package, and it will blow your mind off. In fact, it's so fast it broke my foot.
Do you guys have numbers on this yet?
No, we don't. We don't do the testing ourselves. We leave it to the individual magazines to test for the real results.
All right, all we know is 1,000 horsepower, and that's at the crankshaft, not at the wheels. We don't have any 0 to 60. We don't have any quarter-mile times yet.
Yes. Correct. There are a couple cars out there that are in the 9s. They're not providing me with some time slips, but I've asked for them.
Now, what do you mean a couple of cars? This is serial number 1.
Serial number 1, but some of the test cars that we've done that have gone out there have gone to the racetrack, and we do know that we're in the mid-9s.
And those are with the Stage 2 1,000 horsepower cars in the mid-9s. Is that stock tires?
That's stock tires, yes.
Unbelievable. What a day and age to be a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty and run in the 9s. Unbelievable.
Absolutely.
Thanks so much for telling us about this, the Yenko Corvette, Dave. Classic Industries, they've got stuff for your Camaros. They've got stuff for your Tri-5s. Basically, if you name it, they've got it. Check them out, classicindustries.com.